Sometimes as traders we okay, I got research.
Mr. Gabe, what is good?
Mr. Gabe, what is good?
Hold on, put my headphone on. What is up? What is up?
I broke up with Chris about a week ago. The real reason I moved out wasn't because of the night that you left.
She said I would never amount to anything because I didn't like school.
What's good? What's good?
Breaking news, Saudi media.
Mr. Splash Trades. What is up, everybody? I don't know, yeah. Let me check the next one. Check that. Was this week mid? Really? Okay, yeah, that's what I was thinking. I've been on vacation, brothers. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Asia's always tempting. Now that I got like the Take Profit Trader Pro accounts too, it's like to build that buffer, Asian's just calling my name, but I can't do it. Can't do it. Yeah, that's the difference. Where was the 8:30 news? Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Gotta get that. Hopefully get a My Fun of Futures code today. For anybody who's interested. Bro, Splash, and I'm sure Gabe, you experienced this too, but bro, those lightning last night was fucking insane. Dude. Uh-huh. It just leaked her neighborhood. Jesus. Jeez, dude. Well, dude, yeah, my house sounded like it got struck like 5 times. It was insane. I don't know how my power didn't go out. What'd you do? Trigger warning. Oh, ew, ew, you started a job? What the fuck? Where are you working? That's whatever. I mean, I was thinking when I go back to Cincy, like, it would be nice just to work, like, just to have some, like, literally funded money. Just be able to buy more accounts, but I don't think I'll need it. Yeah, basically. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it is honestly smart. Been extremely bored, I can't lie. Should just buy a car and start working on it. We did a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I wonder how you guessed that. Have you been traded? You been doing good? Yeah. Just on Asia. Fire. Who are you with right now? You with Top Step or? Oh yeah, wait. Okay, did Top Step remove Trade Evade? The fuck? I saw something about that, and I couldn't tell if it was real or not. Yeah. I see. I woke up with 3 emails that I didn't cancel on Apex, so currently I have like 15 accounts right now. No, I'm done doing those. I just go, for now on moving forward, unless it's like CPI or PPI, I'm just going to go 2 times leverage every single time. Avi said, you won't send me every single dollar in your bank account. Avi, you are so right, bro. Someone said Jit just got back from church. Nah, I'm in my stoozy fit. Type sheet. Ooh. Oh, I'm so ready for market open. Mr. Jack, what is up? What is good, G? Good, bro. How about you? You secure that? Oh, God. Yeah, just spending time with the girl. Anything but trading, basically. Let's go, Jack. Oh my God, that's so crazy, bro. Yeah, I was just about to ask you about that. 2 bans? That's insane, bro. Good for you, man. So hype. Yeah, like, bro, literally, it just keeps snowballing. Like, just keep waiting. It'll just keep coming and coming, bro. Oh yeah. Oh shoot, y'all can't. Oh dang it, y'all can't hear my. Sorry, the TikTok can't hear the Discord. Hold on. All right, so you didn't leak your. Wait, someone talk. Shoot. Hold on there. Wait, someone talk now. Fuck. Hold on. All right, say yo one more time. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? Someone say something. Motherfucker! Gonna crash out. Let's see here. Better just add every single thing I can possibly add here. Alright, wait, someone say something? Okay, there you go. Thank you, Jack. Sorry. It's a pain in the butt. Alright, now the TikTok Jack can hear you. Sorry, TikTok. Me and one of my students just secured a 2-band payout. That's what we were talking about. Jack, I might make a video with you later. If you want to. Just talking about how give you like a live testimony. I don't know. We can talk about that later. Interesting. Open. Dude, I wish I could go back in my friends group chat, but when Elon Musk and Trump were like fighting on Twitter, bro, I told them all it's gonna be manipulation, and I guarantee we'll be at all-time highs in like a month or so. Obviously not financial advice, but bro, it's literally playing out exactly how it is, bro. If you look at the 4 hour, we went through the most beautiful PO3 I've ever seen. Like, hold on, I'll show you guys. Like, look at this, bro. Literally, accumulation all through here, manipulation right through there, and then just distribution. Then here we had the same thing. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Then we kind of just trickled up, then accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Oh yeah, that was... Dude, yeah, that was crazy. Yeah, I was just sitting back watching everything happen. Like, I was still checking the charts. I wasn't trading them, but it was just cool, like, to see how everything was playing out. Yeah, I couldn't really tell. I could tell what I was expecting. It's kind of crazy, though, like, the time we're in right now. Like, literally anything could happen. Yeah, seriously. Yeah, you're just in a trade, and then a bomb just gets dropped, and then you just immediately either stopped out or TP. ESTP is in the chat. Let's go. Bro, it started 2026. This group is the like exclusive group's definitely about to get a lot bigger. Cause I'm gonna stop like all the free live trading on like TikTok and YouTube and stuff. So that'll be kind of interesting to see how that goes. Jack, do you use My Fun and Features? No, okay. I'm getting a code with them though. Right today. It was formed a fat SMT. It's with like the data low, kinda. It's like the expansion from the news. Is it equal lows here? Hold on. Ooh, it is equal lows. Equal lows with London lows, I'm pretty sure right now. Yes, interesting range right now. Barami, what is good? Long time no see. I know. I'm back. The streams are gonna be. I'm going on another vacation, literally on Sunday, but I'm gonna be streaming and trading there. I'm going on like a family vacation to Aruba. Yeah, bro, the streams are about to be so fire, and the content. If I'm hitting TP on the beach, ooh, it's about to be beautiful. I hope so. Dude, yeah, that would be beautiful. Just laptop on the balcony, smashing TP with all the boys. Well, yeah. Acom, you just passed another funded and good stuff, bro. Yeah, bro. I want to get a vacation sometime soon with the money I've made. Right now I'm just kind of stacking. So I guess a clean hypothetical. But then like a break even at equal lows. Believe so. Yeah, it's the 4 hour. Yeah, so that's got a really good draw to it. Yeah, definitely be break even right there. Yeah, this would be a banger for sure. Cause it's probably gonna keep running down, I'd assume, to at least like that equilibrium, the constant encouragement. So, bro, hypotheticals are so amazing because it's like, yeah, I could have taken this trade, but it's my first trade back in like a week and a half, so it's like no point to. Why not take it? Just because I wasn't really ready for the move, and I don't know if it's exactly what I'm looking for. And I mean, that would have been a brutal. This might be a brutal break even too. So, if I did take it. Yeah, bro, tapped directly into the 50%. Literally to the wick. That's crazy. Well, let's see. Actually, it might not be a break even. This might be a banger. Yeah, it's about to be a banger. No, guys, I'm not actually trading this. This is a hypothetical trade. It's hard to say. I thought I was for sure going to get smashed at TP. Ooh, it's going to be a brutal break even, I think. Yeah, brutal break even. That would have sucked. Get out of here. A little 2-minute rejection off of the 4-hour fair value gap. Ooh. And then a fat SMT here too. Looks kind of clean. I had a TP like just under here. See, this might have gone break even and then smashed a TP. That would be so bad. I did take that. I'd be pissed. TBH. There's a 1-minute gap as well. Like the 2-minute. I wasn't in a trade right there. That was a hypothetical trade, guys. And you gotta trust your stop loss. That's not how I trade, Carlos. Even if I wasn't on the trade there, if you're not going break even right there, that's, I don't want to say dumb of you, but not very smart or probable of what you're doing. Because if you're that close to TP, why would it make sense for it to like run even higher? Like, why even have money on the table? Like, just take your money off the table and call it a day. But yeah, in this circumstance, yeah, you're right. If I was in that trade and held my stop loss and didn't go break even, yeah, we might take profit here. But like, personally, I would want to just have no money on the table, risking basically I'm either losing a trade, like losing $0, or I'm smashing TP. It just doesn't make sense to still have money on the table at that point. Or for S&Ts left or right. One year ago today, blow through fair value gap and break a structure on 1 minute is valid. I guess that's when I first learned about inversion fair value gaps, maybe, or was like discovering them myself. I don't trade breaking structures anymore. That must have been me talking about change state deliveries. On the wall. Far. Yeah, I'm definitely liking this. Should make sure there's no trap here with the 2 minute. Ooh, the 1 minute will also align. Oh, bro. Okay, yeah, thank God. What the hell was that? That's been happening a lot today. Just those random ass wicks. That was setting up to be a great entry. That was deadly, bro. What the hell was that? That probably just took out so many people. I'm assuming now he probably won't push higher. Possibly.
For too long, one ally, the United States, carried too much of the burden of that commitment.
I think I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock. For show. Don't make me up my gun in here. Yeah, I'm definitely wait till 4 because if the 4 closes below the 4 hour for value gap, then I mean you guys know what that means. Boy, you blow my sheet. You're back. Where the crazy people meet on the street. Doing everything but trading? Well, I'm not trading this, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. But yes, life is all about doing everything but trading to be profitable. Dark Souls 3? I don't think I've ever heard about that. Grammy? It's like a Dark Souls 3. Dark Souls. Dude, it's like I try and enjoy video games, but every time I play them, I just feel like a bum. This shit looks sick. Looks like Elden Ring. This dude said, why not get vape? Because vape is bad for you, bro. Already vaped enough. I don't need to vape anymore. Zins are my savior. Elden Ring is like the enhanced Dark Souls. Yeah, that looks sick. And the crazy people meet on the street. I still have PTSD from when I was trading like the week before, and it got the double leverage on all the accounts. That was terrifying. If you guys are not subbed to my YouTube already, go sub to the YouTube. I do plan on putting out more and more content on there, so follow the YouTube at Andrew Trades with 2 Z's. This is not a eval account. This is a funded account. This will be copy traded across 12 funded accounts, I believe. Yeah. No, 11 funded accounts. So we've copy traded across 11 funded accounts. It's like, Jack, you were here with me since I was like running a 3 stack, bro. Not even, since I was running like a 1 stack. Like, you see how it just kind of keeps going. Yeah, I got 10 Apexes, 1 Take Private Trader Pro account, and then I have 1 Take Private Trader account that's really close to passing, so I'll have 2 Take Private Trader fundeds, and then I have 3 Apex evals. So I have 15 accounts right now, but only 11 out of the 15 are funded. Yeah, except for the funded. So now what I do, unless it's CPI or PPI, I'm just going to run 2 times leverage on the evals, like with my normal trade, because that'll give me like 1,400, and then that's like basically halfway past with the eval. So it's like, if I just do that one more time, I'm basically passed. It kind of just takes like the pressure off of like eval trading, then doing like a So then doing like a eval and fund a trade, just do like a full like just one trade, look for one good ass setup, and then just go with that. So yeah, it's about $8,250 across all the accounts, which is fucking insane. Like that's just ridiculous. Android just buzzed my hair. I'm about to turn profitable. Yes, you're about to turn profitable and get jacked, bro. When the crazy people meet on the street. Can't join the DC? Is it like not in your region, or can you just like not get in? Let me sip my cup. Alright, so it looks like we're not going to inverse that gap unless we get some crazy wick like a couple minutes ago. Region, I think. Alright, just DM me and we can try to work something out, bro. Splash! Splash, do you see that crazy wick? Oh my god, my voice. At 46, 45. Maybe not. Don't make me Oh, what the hell just happened? I think my headphone just died. Wait, Jack, speak? Or someone speak? Okay, yeah, okay, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, I think my headphone just like gave out. Splash! Oh yeah, bangers only today. Shout. Slash, you see that crazy wick? At 45? It was setting. Oh no, how'd it go? Yeah, bro, Jack was like, it was setting up to be a beautiful trade. Jack went break even, luckily. Bro, yeah, it literally just spawned in. That's what I'm scared for today. Yeah, no, you got a crazy entry. What the heliante? Oh. Yeah, this might be one of those. Bro, look at that wick we put in. Like a 1, it's like a 0.25 wick. Or a 1 point wick. It's fire. Wait, there's some tool called the GAN box. Yes, there we go. This is so you don't have to do. Oh wait, hold on. I need to set this. Hold on now. It's basically the Fibonacci, but instead of it, you can just do like the 0.5. So just wait. Let me get rid of the vertical ones. Nah. Look. Boom. It's literally just a 0.5 tool. Yeah. So it's like, it's better than the fib because you can just like drag it wherever on all sides. And that way so you can still have your fib without doing like the 0.5. Yeah, y'all see AA Bands or whatever? Y'all know who he is? He's like this TikTok trader. I don't know. He was like beefing with Powell though, but he got banned on TikTok for like beefing with Powell. But Powell like wasn't even beefing with them. It was like completely one-sided. But he exposed all of Powell's like model. I should have saved the video, bro. It's basically it's all just wick theory. Literally the entire thing is just wick theory. It's basically like wick theory, but like, okay, say this is like the 1 hour wick and like this is the bottom of the 1 hour range. It's basically you're assuming that it's going to come back into this range at some point. So like, say if this was the 1 hour and this was like the third 1 hour candle, you're basically just taking this wick and drawing out the 50%, and then you're entering like at the 50% basically within your stop at the top of the wick, because it's essentially you're assuming that it's going to come like tap back into it again. So like after it comes into it and then taps back in above the 50% and you're assuming shorts, you basically would enter there like top ticking. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like if you're trading wick theory, I feel like, I mean, obviously there's a lot, like, I kind of trade like the more confirmation way, but yeah, like, I mean, it's kind of just like the top tick equilibrium method. And then it's like you also target like breaker blocks and shit. Yeah, I feel like it's definitely pretty similar to how you trade. Yeah. Yeah, I always like, I could never be like a top ticker. I just like need to see the confirmation. Because I just get like I would get so pissed at myself. Like I didn't get more confirmation than just like a tap into equilibrium. Yeah, in seconds. If you're trading like the 1 hour though, I could see how it could be decent. He posted a rejection block video. Who? Yeah, I'm pretty sure both he uses. He like, I think he uses like a mix of like, I think he kind of trades similar to you, Splash, because I know he waits for more confirmation than just like top ticking. Yeah, because like, you know, Crab trades, I don't know, his like buddy, he like only, I think they trade very similar, and he only trades with SMTs. But he doesn't like bottom tick though. I don't know. It's so funny how like everyone has like a different trading style. I just think that's so cool. That's my favorite too. Like crazy people meet. I just want to see a fat wick get put in. Crazy SMT. Excuse me. All right, guys, we're trading trend lines, so we're gonna wait for the triangle breakout. This makes a change in state. Probably hypothetical. I won't be trading this, but decent because it is like the setup for hypothetical. But that was definitely all just manipulation. Yup. Like I don't understand how people could trade like, bro. Like, if you're entering longs off of like a break-in structure, that just brings me PTSD. Bro, looking back on like the early days of like learning trading, bro, like I used to just think anything was a confluence. Like I'd learn like a fair value gap and then only enter fair value gaps, and then I learned about like break-in structures, change state deliveries, and then I'd basically just enter off of every fair value gap, change state delivery, and then I learned about SMTs, and then like you just kind of keep learning, and then eventually it all comes together. But it's so funny like looking back on some of your old trades, like literally just because there's a 1 minute fair value gap, I would like that was my confluence, maybe like a year and a half ago. So funny. That's why journaling's so funny, because you can like go back and look at all how stupid you were. It's one of your best setups. Yeah, that's super clean, Brammy. Hey, bro. Sometimes it just happens. Hey, that's why I like how you take profits, though. Because then it's like, at least if you go break even, you still have a take profit in there. Perfect. This is putting that wick for us. We're going to, hopefully. I'm long off the sweep of Asian lows. We haven't swept Asian lows. Or I'm gonna. Wait, we didn't sweep Asian lows though. You talking London lows? Ah, I see. Grammy. It's fire. Dude, I was thinking last night, like, honestly, obviously I have so much more room for improvement, but, like, it is kind of sad, like, now that I've gotten to the point of trading where it's, like, I kind of know what I'm doing, so it's not like I'm waking up every morning, like, trying to figure out, like, what it is I'm trying to look for. Like, I kind of miss those days, honestly. Like, the grind to become super profitable. Bro, JadeCap opened up his mentorship again. I was so tempted. But it's like, I'm not in the space to be learning something new when I already got something that's working right now. No, I'm very excited to trade. It's just, like, it's not like how I used to. Like, you guys will, once you get to your point where, like, you're getting consistent payouts, it's like, you're not waking up, like, trying to figure out, okay, how can I master this trading thing? It's like, you already kind of got it down. So it's like, really all you have to do is just go out and execute. And it's like, after a certain period of executing for a long enough time, it's like, it doesn't get boring, but it's just like I miss the old days, you know. JadeCap's mentorship, I have no idea how much it costs, but I am, once I get into swing trading, I probably will be looking into his mentorship. Just because he is like, bro, he has been trading for like 12, 13 years, has the biggest payout on Apex. It's just like his credibility is all just there, and it's just like, you'd just be dumb to not learn from people who are smarter than you. Yeah, the learning phase was just so fun. I just can't. I think it's around 6K. Yeah, not surprised. He's making 2.5 mil from Apex. So, bro, I got put on to the craziest Apex method. Jack and Splash. Okay. This dude named Riot Andrew, if you guys know who he is. He basically told me, I was like confused on how people were getting crazy freaking payouts with Apex. Like, how can you get like over 100,000 paid out on an Apex account if you like your max is 2K? Well, basically, this is what I'm going to be doing moving forward as well. Once you get your account to the 6 payout, you basically just run up the craziest buffer ever. Like, you just keep banking and banking and banking until you basically get to the point, because like once you're under 6 payout, you can pay out or get paid out the full amount. So like I could run up this one account that I have right now up to like 10 bands and get paid out all 10 bands because it's my 6 payout. So like I'm thinking I might just not let this one get paid out and just keep building up the other accounts until they're all at the 6 payout, and then basically just run up like a crazy ass fucking payout once they're all at like their 6 payout. Because then, like, bro, if you have 10 accounts that are all ready to be paid out on their 6 payout, like if you're up like 5 grand on one of them, 10 grand on the other, bro, you can pull out some freaking good money there. But obviously, it takes a lot of time to get to that point, but it's like once you get to that point, like you can run up something pretty crazy. Which brokers have no activation fees? If you're talking about prop firms, Take Private Trader with my code. No, they do have activation fee, but it's not too much. I think Alpha Futures doesn't have an activation fee. You can click on my link tree, or go into like my Instagram or TikTok and just click on my link in bio, and it'll take you straight to Alpha Futures. And yeah, so My Fun Futures, I'm getting a code with them hopefully today. So if you guys want a My Fun Futures code, that will be coming. I would recommend maybe just don't, like, if you haven't bought an account My Fun Futures, just wait. I'll have a code for you where it'll basically make it, like, if you're a first-time user, it'll make it super cheap and you'll have no activation fee. So personally, if you want to get into My Fun Futures, just wait and literally until like after 2 o'clock today, and I will get you guys all a code, and you guys can all try out My Fun Futures for the first time for really cheap. Yeah, I think I'll probably. They said they'll probably give me a couple counts to give away, so I'll definitely be doing a giveaway for you guys. Yeah, it'll probably be just everyone in the exclusive group who enters. I'll do a little wheel spin for you guys. Yeah, I will. Maybe. Yeah, I'll do it in class probably. Everyone who comes to class today gets an entry. Well, you can literally just be in there and not say a thing. Or maybe I'll do like, I'll probably do the wheel spin on live, but maybe I'll send like a message into the exclusive group, like react to this message to get entered into the giveaway or something. Andrew, I'll be reserving my first payout soon from 10K funded. I'm planning on to spend it on 200K eval. Why is it not that simple? What do you mean, Brammy? I'm thinking the same thing, RCap. But Remy, I would say, like, sometimes scaling up to the bigger accounts, like, isn't worth it. Like, I used to go on, like, 100K accounts, 150K accounts, and then literally since I've gone to the 50K accounts, I have not, like, switched from them. I personally think the smaller accounts are actually better, but obviously it's all personal opinion, but just because they're cheaper and you can get paid out just as much on most firms. It's 1.2K for max payout. I see. So yeah, maybe if if you need more payout, then yeah. Can you stack accounts on FTMO though? But yeah, 1.2K isn't too much. It's kind of a weird TP. Mr. Gabe, what is up? Gabe, I should be getting some, fingers crossed, but I should be getting some accounts to give away for My Fun of Futures. So I was telling Splash, I'll probably do a giveaway today in the everyone in the exclusive group. Basically, I'll just send a message, and if you react to the message, you'll get entered into the giveaway. So if that's something you guys are interested in, it'll definitely be there. Yeah. So yeah, some free funded accounts come in the exclusive group's way. And I should be getting some alpha. I don't know. Mr. Moore Trades, he hit me up personally on TikTok asking if I wanted some accounts to give away for alpha futures, but he hasn't responded in like a week, so who knows if that's going to happen. My code will be coming soon, guys. Don't worry. I have a meeting with My Fun of Futures at 1:30 today. What's up? Yeah, I think they should be. We'll see. Yeah, we'll just see. I'll let you guys know how the meeting goes. Okay, this might set up to be a good setup. Let's see. Yeah, I just got a notification or someone just texted me. Yeah, guys, the Apex 80% sales just came back up. So make sure to be taking advantage of that while you can. As you guys know, I personally love Apex, but I can guarantee you guys right now I am definitely one of the only influencers who actually advocates for Apex and actually uses Apex. I can tell you guys right now, a lot of the influencers that you maybe see that have a Apex code most likely do not use Apex. I'll tell you that right now. Okay, I'm really liking this. Dan Cheong Trading, he's one of the best FTMO traders. He's been trading FTMO for 4 years and never. Yeah, I just don't use FTMO because I'm pretty sure they're more like a European firm. I don't even, can you use them? Yeah, you can use them for futures, but I don't know, I just don't really. Like for the United States, like there's a lot better firms that you can use. Yeah. In the States, like there's a lot cheaper options than FTMO too. So it's like you might as well just save $1 and go with some other firms. like these last 30 seconds just because there's a 1 minute here. If we get the 1 minute change of state, that'd be nice. Then quick break even, basically. Had a feeling that would happen though. Get the break-in structure, or get the change of state on the 1 minute, but fail to get the change of state on the 1 minute. It's a trap.
I don't know what that means. However, I won 6 out of 6 spots. Guys, if you want to hear everything else, next time Dave in, drop the next one. Please go to the comments.
It's officially been a ceasefire, and we are so bad. The war is over. We are not getting drafted by the
Gabe, I'm going to Aruba on Sunday, bro. The trading content's about to be so fire. Trading on the beach. You said what? Oh, type shit. My brother just bought a fake AP, so maybe I'll have to borrow his. Type shit. Nah, yours is real, bro. 50K watch. Oh shit. How much the Rolex go for? Couple mil. Dude, the black dials are so clean. Y'all are twinning. Yeah, I'm waiting for it. Yeah, no, bro, it's actually insane. Actually, like with everything that's going on, we're almost at all-time highs. Like that's insane. Just got fucking texted by the Costco team. What the hell? Let's see if I can get this before it goes to break-even point. Or is it gonna be a trap? Interesting. Although the body did close above all the other bodies, so let's just see what happens. Ooh, okay, this 2 minute could align actually pretty well. Let's see. There's like a 4-hour target that I like right here, and there's also a gap right here. I'm resting above this, so. Okay, I just took that. Oh, what is that? Ooh. I don't know if I like that. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty high. It's kind of just like this random resting point on the 4-hour. Scroll into my live. Even when I'm scrolling, it'll like come. My live comes up for me. Make sure it's not getting doubled across the accounts. Yeah, it does look yummy. I didn't like how he opened there though, but just see what happens. Yeesh. Sweet. Just created equal highs on ES. So it's technically an SMT. But it's technically a bullish SMT, so. Beautiful push. So I see this probably pass that high and then go break even. But I do wish that TradingView moved like a little bit smoother. Like it does kind of move like a little glitchy. Like a trade of it at least. Like red top sub X is just so clean. This thing is just taking its time. Yeah, there is a lot. Yeah, which is nice. See, 1 minute left. Yeah, I might. Got 1 minute left in the 5-minute candle here. 1 minute left in the 5-minute and 15-minute. Let's see what can happen. Okay, break even there. Alright, risk-free trade now. Just see what happens. Yeah, that's a beautiful 10:30 open. I don't believe so, no. I think there was news that, like, there was like a yellow folder at 10 maybe. I think, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I think this was the 8:30 wick. Yeah, this was the data wick right here. And then this is the, this is like a 4-hour wick, I believe. And then this like wicks into like a gap here. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Let's just see what happens. Dude, we were just like, oh my god. We were just sitting in that range. This thing was frustrating. Bang, good shit, bro. Let's see if it's gonna run to this. Pass the top step. Good shit, bro. Jack, you on a roll, dude. Make that money. See, we are lacking super hard on NQ, so I would assume that we keep pushing. Let's just see. Type shit. Yeah, Jack's just slipping there. Yeah. Yeah. But like you can scale though, right? It's like the scale rule. Yeah. Yeah, it's valid. I want to see us inverse the shit out of this gap right here. Yeah, it is like there's so much. They do, but I mean, that's a problem, bro. With this, it was like, right, we smacked those targets. Yeah, my TP was just outside the targets. It's like, it's kind of risky. We'll just see what happens. Sometimes you just gotta have faith. I would like in the earlier days, but it's like now, like I think I'm like way past like I'm like at like 12 days or something on one of my accounts, or like the accounts that are getting close to getting paid out. I was telling them, Gabriel, I don't think you're here, but this dude named Riot Andrew, if you know who he is. I don't know, he's on Instagram, but I don't know, I was talking with him, and because he said he was super close to like a 1 mil payout, and I was just confused on how people were even getting these crazy payouts on Apex in the first places. And he told me the Apex method. The Apex method is basically get a bunch of accounts to the 6 payout, and then basically you just build a fat ass buffer once they're all on like their 6 payout, and then you can just pull out like the entire payout across all the accounts. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can get the crazy buffer on Top Step as well. But as you know, I'm an Apex fanboy, so. No, dude, he said it took him like a couple months, and then like he was like 3 days away. Oh well, no, you can also apparently if you like get a good buffer in like 40 trading days, even if you're not on your 6 payout, you can still pull out everything. He said he had like a crazy buffer, and then like a couple days before like the 40 days, he just blew everything. He said it was the craziest canon event. I mean, with trailing drawdown, if you're like scaling hard with trailing drawdown, I could see how it happens. Well, at the same time, though, you don't have trailing drawdown now once you get to a certain point on Apex, which I didn't even know about. Damn, brutal break even, boys. Yeah, most likely. This target though was like this 4-hour. It was a 4-hour candle body. I was debating pulling out when we hit that 500 mark, but it's whatever. Would have only been like, wouldn't have been too much though. I'm greedy? No, brother. If I was greedy, I'd re-enter. I was so sus though when we were in this. I was scared that we were going to manipulate through one more time and then push on her. That might be my only trade of the day, low key, unless we set up something crazy like pushing through LRR. Oh yeah. Mhm. Damn. It's pretty cracked. Hmm. Bro, these are the most brutal break evens when you literally just wick to break even and then like kind of push higher. Like literally to the wick, I got break even. Let's see if we push higher though from here. Yeah, I'd assume we take out that LR for sure. Yeah, look at that. That's insane. Yeah, it is definitely. Yeah, when you said that, I was low-key sus. I was like, yo, Gabe, chill. Yeah. Good, Nikhil. Let's see. 1 minute looks just as strong, though. Look at that. And not as strong as 30 seconds, but still very strong. People meet on the street. Dodgy smashed on the long to data highs.
Printed in second.
Oh yeah.
In this game, we
Actually.
I'm up 100% right now.
Fire. Alright, let's just see a fat run through the LR so I can feel better about my break even. That's the ones that just makes you want to jump out the window. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Dude, yeah, we could definitely make something happen. That'd be sick. Dude, yeah, I'm honestly hyped to go to school next year. Obviously, I won't be going to school, but like to host like in-person stuff, and just make some like fire content on campus. Yeah, that's what I want to do is just host like an in-person class like once a week, over the weekend. I think it's so sweet. Have my girlfriend like run the front desk. Like, you need your pass to be able to get in. Yeah. I'm definitely about to do like a bunch of free ones first though, and then start paying for make people pay for it. Thinking I'll do like a referral system. It'll be like you and your buddy. Like if you bring a friend, you get like it'll be like the cost of like one person if you bring a friend, or like, yeah, basically. Pyramid scheme that bitch. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, I feel like I could definitely make something work next year, for sure. And there's like a Cincy trader as well. He has like a couple K on Instagram. I don't know if he's actually profitable though, but he like, bro, his P&Ls are insane though. I think he's a eval trader. I don't think he's fully funded yet, but he'll post. Yeah, Nate. Yeah, you were telling me about him, AC. I followed him on TikTok. But yeah, I don't know if he's fully profitable or not. It's hard to say. Because I don't know, you probably see it in his TikToks, AC, where it's literally just like, bro, it's like $9,000 floating profit. And you're like, any payouts? Or like, what's going on here? Yeah, I think he is on definitely a bigger account. I think most of his videos are him like posting, like him passing evals, even though he doesn't say it. I think he's like full porting top sims on like 150K accounts or something.
This is me, bro. You remember that one time you donated on my stream? Yeah.
Even a freak with the tea light.
Who sent me this? What is this? Get off of my screen. What is this?
Does he have a TRX? Fire. Yeah, we're smashing through all that LRLR right now. I don't know if I see us pushing higher though. That's like the only thing. Like I do have a target all the way up here, but that's so high. This was the gap I was talking about. Let's see if it tapped into it. I'm pretty sure it did. Even though we've already inversed it. Just see, do we perfectly tap into it? Yes or no? God, how far do I gotta scroll? Jesus. Oh my. Oh, look at that, bro. To the fucking tick. No, we just actually missed it. But just about. Crazy, bruh. I was hoping in this live we were gonna run to like equilibrium of this, constant encouragement, but. Bro, I missed the old volatility where you just enter and in like 2 30-second candles it hit TP. It was actually the days. Yeah, after I kind of go through the whole meeting and everything, I'll make sure to send it out to you guys. Don't worry. For the European guys, I know you might be asleep, so maybe I'll wait till tomorrow to do it all. I'll get all the information and stuff, and then we'll figure it out on Friday. I think Riley got like 3, so we'll see. 6, 7. No, if you win one, you get eliminated from the giveaway.
So I'm only gonna make around $1 to $2 million. Give me a hand for that cigar. What's the most effective?
Basically. Yeah, our cap. I agree with you. The market is moving a little sus. Gap right here. You don't even gotta think about it like that. Our cap. Like, yeah, you still got one trade, but no need to rush anything. Like if something comes up, then sure, but no need to rush anything. I'm debating if I want to take anything more, just because it might be a little weird. Because that was like the one target I had for the day, basically. Yeah, that's usually how I go about it. And we're getting to like 11 o'clock. I usually don't really trade past like 11:30 anyway, so. Yeah, it's very valid. If you're debating, whenever you question yourself, because whenever you question yourself, like literally, bro, I swear every time it's like you then just blame yourself. Yeah, there will be class. I gotta figure out what to teach this week. I will, because I'm going on vacation on Sunday, so I probably won't host any class while I'm on vacation, but I will be live trading. Yeah, I know I am. Yeah, but I'll be live trading, don't worry, guys. But I'll probably try and get like some videos out or something. I don't know. I need to do something. But the boot camp is coming to an end. Like really, I'm running out of things to talk about. Like I feel like I've gone over just about like all the confluences you need, at least all the confluences that I personally use. I've gone over a lot of psychology. I've had you guys back test. I've had you guys do a lot of things. RCAP, I saw that you wanted another assignment. That is going to be something I want to kind of think about, like what I want you guys to do, because truly I have brought you guys through everything I've learned, right? I taught you guys all the confluences I learned, and then I literally just, the homework assignment was literally what made me profitable. It was just back testing after back testing after back testing, and doing that for months on months until I literally was just consistently making 3K every time, and it wasn't even a problem. I think once you get to that point, it's kind of just like, literally my only homework would be to not overcomplicate things. Like, if you have something that's working in back testing, no need to go out and try and find something that's new. I promise you, the only thing you need to improve is your psychology. The psychology part and the risk management is gonna be what makes you profitable. If you have something that's working, especially if you have over a 60% win rate and you're making money on the back testing, then I promise you, all you have to do is just go out and execute that and follow the rules that you're using in back testing. I promise you, you'll be profitable. Like, it's not even a question. That was kind of like the turning point I had. Like, once I realized, okay, I'm doing this every day. I'm making money when I back test. I'm passing evals. I'm literally getting to the payout number. Like, the only thing I need to do from here is just go out and do what I'm supposed to do. So therefore, it was kind of just like a journey of getting my psychology good enough and my risk management good enough to be able to just be executing that back tested strategy on a day-to-day basis. And once you kind of get to that point, I promise you, you'll be getting paid out. Like, that's where I'm kind of like in a rut with you guys. Like, I kind of don't really know where to go with the boot camp. Like, I feel like I've gone over so much psychology stuff. I've gone over, like, I've told you guys what you need to do. I've taught you guys the confluences. I've gave you guys homework. I do want to probably think of like another homework assignment, but it's like we're kind of out of that point. RCAP, I know you're super, like, you definitely know what you're doing, bro. I think realistically the only thing I can tell you right now is basically just go out and execute. Don't break your rules, and I promise you, you'll see the results. Like, Truly, that's about all I can think about. But yeah, don't worry. I will host class until I'll probably host class today, Friday, and Saturday to make up for being gone last week, and then obviously not being here this week or this coming week. So I will definitely have some good class for you guys. CRV Trades, what is up, brother? What is good? What is good? Is that the real CRV? Let's see. Oh yes, it is. What is good, G? Drop you a follow. But yeah, I mean, like, bro, I'm kind of been in a rut though for like honestly the past like 3 weeks. Y'all have probably just seen like the boot camp is just like I'm kind of just like running out of things to go over. Like obviously I can back test with you guys, I can do whatever, but it's like once you learn the confluences, all you have to do is just go out and put them together to something that you like. And then obviously I give you guys my model, so it's like you can either do what I do or figure out with what I've taught you how to like make it work for yourself. I mean, Jack's a living testimony in here. Bro has pulled out the full payout on Apex with what I've taught him, and obviously he's put in a lot of work on the side. And I'm sure he's learned a lot from YouTube and like other things that besides the things that I've taught. But I mean, let him be a living testimony. Like he's been in here since January, but still, like that just shows if you just keep working, I promise you the results will be there. Is that the real CRV? You don't really have that much more, bro. I don't know if you have like a bunch of fake accounts, but there's probably like over 25 fake accounts for me, bro. So you just never know. But yes, CRV, you're the only rapper trader that I know. So yeah, you got aura, bro. Which one? Yeah, that's Mr. CRV. Oh shit, CRV. RCap just told me that Rodriguez Capital will be making a diss track on you. Fuck, bud. Oh shit. Oh shit, RCap. Wait, Gabe, you're gonna have to remind me on what you were talking about. RCap? I don't know. Look up RCap. You've probably seen him on like, you've probably seen him on your For You page, but he's on like UTN and stuff. I don't know who Rodriguez Capital is, but there's RCap. Oh, you are Rodriguez Capital. Oh shit. Oh shit, RCap. Shit's about to get real. Oh yeah, that would make sense, I guess. Yeah, I'm just slow. Where are all my fundeds? Jimmy and G. Oh shit. RCap talking shit. Better fry you with this diss track. Hey, I'm hyped for the diss track now. I'm excited to see what y'all got. Yeah, for real. Yeah, his PA is some butt. Can't lie. No, RCap definitely's got a voice, bro. Bro, when you send those songs, when you when you send the videos to like the chat and it's just you like singing while you hit like TP, that shit is so funny. RCap's got a beautiful voice. Let's see. Ooh, yes, I do like that game. That's fire. Trader Live needs to happen, bro. Yeah, dude, y'all know who Zach Trades is? Or Zach Official something? I don't know, he just moved to North Carolina. I'm about to go hit a lift with him. at some point. No, no, no. No, I never said that. But no, yeah, we do need to make something happen. Just real question is, are you gonna make Gabe drive like an hour and a half to come to No Limits? Yeah. Pull up to his nice YMCA. Nah, I'd bro, pulling up to that downtown YMCA would be kind of fun, or wherever you go. Yeah, I'm not getting that car. Yeah, that'd be sick. New one? Oh yeah, bro. That gym looked fire. Yeah, I know which one you're talking about. How far am I from Concord? I'm probably like 45 minutes to an hour. But no, yeah, that'd be dope. It was crazy that Alex Eubanks used to live here. Where's it? Hey, wait, you said it's your friend's girlfriend's cousin? Oh shit. Fire. Yeah, I'm down to go wherever. Be fire. We could get a lifting montage while hitting TP. Yeah, Gabe, I saw you're lifting at it. Andrew trades diss track? Alright, RCap, that's too far. It's way too far, bro. I'm definitely not trading this anymore. I'm probably just gonna honestly call it for the day there. One break even and I'm done. Fan meetup, Trader Boys? Shit, or Trader Bras? Shit, be down, bro. Yeah, you have to pay actually a couple $1,000s to come to my mastermind in Miami if you want to meet me. Okay. This is why I got banned off of TikTok. Because you're naked on TikTok, Splash. That shit was so funny, bro. I came into it when you... I got you restricted that one day. That was so funny. Oh, that was kind of fucked up, but it was that funny. Mr. RCap, what is going on? What's up, G? Oh, is this for what's his name's? Here, you want me to share your screen? I got you. Is this for the CRV diss track? Oh, fire. Yeah, fire. Oh, this is tough. Oh shit, RCap. RCap, will you make a dancing video with it too? Oh shit, RCap. Maybe class today is just RCap making his diss track. Oh shit. Say less. Bro, I need to stop playing video games. Siege has me addicted. Or not addicted, but like I spend my free time playing Siege and I need to stop. Well, I just need to like figure... Bro, I think I'm like... Dude, because I remember like... back, but like when I was talking about before, like the early days of trading, when I was just like itching to like learn my trading. Like now, I feel like now that I've learned trading, I feel like I'm itching to like start a business, cough keychain. But like, dude, I just like I don't know. I think I'm definitely about to start like a Depop though. Once I get to Cincy, start like selling clothes and shit. Oh shit, RCap, what is this? Oh shit. Let's go. Let's not be tired. Behind the scenes right now. Yeah. What's up? No, yeah, I think, bro, I think it's gonna be super easy with the print on demand. Yeah, I think it'll be super sweet. All right, RCap, I see you, bro. I love this. I did have a setup, but I went break even, unfortunately. Max, this is quality trading right here. Shit, you got beef with CRV, RCap? Oh, shit! Damn, RCap, I didn't know you liked that. This is about to be spammed all over my story. This is about to be beautiful. Oh, shit! Alright, hold on, RCap. Why are you cooking like this? Oh, shit, RCap. Hidden talent. Type shit. My comments are saying we're supposed to be trading, not freestyling. Now the aura after this better be... Your aura's just going up by the second here. God damn, Marquette. Shark, bitch. Ooh. Shit, bro, I'm not like that for real. Talking about sending shots like I ran. Did you put the... Yeah, let's hear it. Ooh. They're cooking. Mm.
This is the only time I'm talking about this?
You were saying no. Did you include the CRV don't hit TP? Yeah, that's tough. I'm not gonna lie. If you drop this, I'm gonna have to dance to this song. This is dance worthy for sure. Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. It's amazing. Yeah, I'm definitely not trading ammo today. Done for day. Say hypothetical at this point, right here. Where do we inverse? This is inverse. See what happens. We'll go the hypothetical 50 point here. 50 tick. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, bro. Just for his song, too, bro. Yeah. He said like half the crowd was like boomers who were like proud of him. They were like, "Dang, like I can't believe you're trading at this young of age." And then there were like other boomers who were like, "Bro, this dude is like 5 years old. He has no idea how to trade." Like just bashing him. It's like a mix of both. Yeah, I don't know either. Yeah, I mean you're doing something right. Yeah, it's pretty fire. Mm. Shark, 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 shark beach. One of the people in the chat said that's awesome, good for him, quote unquote. Goes back to clowning him. Oh yeah, stuff. I don't know. $119 people are just watching you cook this up right now. I don't think so, no. No, I let him know though in the group chat that you're coming for him. Oh! This wick so hard. This hypothetical might have been a banger. This could be a crazy break even actually. Yeah, he is funny. Up to 5. Swiss cheese his ass, bro. Ooh. Yeah, that's tough. I hear everything, Arcade. Nothing slides. Mm. Yeah, it's valid. It's valid. Who the fuck is that guy? Ooh. Oh shit. Shit's about to get personal in here. Charles or Taporia? I don't know. That's a tough one. 'Cause Charles does got size on Taporia. I can't lie. Oh yeah, yeah. This is calm. And I definitely use a lot of those bars. Those bars are fire. Ooh. Yeah, I fuck with that beat too. Bonch says he needs to see profit now. We've gone break even. No more trades for the day. Oh, this is about to smash though. Low key. Hypothetical banger. Hey Andrew, I just passed my first funded and blowed it. When I lose, I always revenge trade. Any tips? Start backtesting, brother. You gotta like genuinely like once you're super confident in your model, you won't even hypothetical TP smashed. It won't even be a question of if you should revenge trade or not, because when you think about it, like when you're backtesting, you're backtesting a strategy, right? And when you're backtesting, not a single one of those days accounts for you over trading. So once you kind of realize that, and you realize, okay, well, if I go into the live market and over trade, that's me literally breaking my model, then boom, that's about all you need to know. It's about like the best of the game. It's good. What's up? What's up? Hey, go ahead. Yeah, speak more. He said yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. And even if you're not on Top Step, if you're on like a Tradeovate prop firm account, you can also set out lockout rules on Tradeovate. Like you can go in and basically set it on Tradeovate, so when you come on TradingView with Tradeovate, it'll automatically lock you out as well. Yeah, great way to put it. When you start to think the long term route as well, that is like one of the best things that'll change your trading as well. Like, yeah, just because you're on a funded, and yeah, just because you maybe want to get paid out by the end of this month or by the end of this year, you need to basically think of your funded account as a live account. Think of it as your money. It's your money that you're putting on the table, even though obviously it's not. But you need to think about it as, okay, I'm putting 500. Like if your risk is 500 or 200, whatever it is, you need to think about it as, okay, the risk I'm putting down right here, is that going to actually be worth it? And like, is it actually going to be something that I'm proud of, like actually putting my money on the table for? And if the answer is no, then obviously don't take the trade. But if the answer is yes, then understand, okay, I'm putting this money down for basically just whatever to play out. And essentially you need to just be thinking completely long term. Like you just need to think, okay, well, if this is my money that I'm using, think of it as like it's your live account. You need to think, okay, if I had like actually $50,000 in the account, like what would I like actually be comfortable with doing, and would it actually sustain me long term? I think, yeah, thinking long term is one of the best things that'll change your trading for sure. Oh, he doesn't like it. I think the best way to master psychology is simply just watch trader psychology videos. Like, watch people who are profitable and just simply listen to what they have to say about their journey to become profitable and them, like, mastering their psychology to get to the point where they're at. Because, like, obviously, yeah, the Trading in the Zone, that book is pretty old, but you also have to remember those books. A lot of those people, like a lot of those traders, they stopped trading to get into trading consulting. They got into just coaching. They didn't even, like, it's basically like the old way of like selling a course is basically what they did was just sell books and help out traders outside of the markets. So yeah, I would definitely say like the more, at least what I did was just watch a whole bunch of traders that are trading now in the current market that are super successful and how they think in the market. And I think that'll help you a lot. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I don't think I've ever heard of him. Yeah, I think Justin, in my opinion, is definitely one of the best guys. Or at least because I don't know who the Tao Trades guy is, but I watched a lot of Justin. Justin was like who I would watch all the time. Oh. Oh, I was like a little slow there. No, dude, I used to like before school. I would like before I would trade at school. I'd like wake up in the morning, go eat at the dining hall, and just watch like a psychology video from Justin, like before trading. Honestly, that kind of messed me up, but like I don't know. I think just watching a bunch of Justin is definitely like one of the best people you can do. I don't know, just the way he like speaks and like puts it all together is just so immaculate. No dick riding. Do I trade on Apex? Yes, I have 10 fundeds with Apex currently. I'll see you at class today, Max. You said what? Really? That's so funny. It's so funny. Bro, I don't care what anyone says about Dodgy. Like, yeah, he's probably making a shit ton of money from his course, but he knows how to trade. Like, it's not even a question. Yeah. But yeah, he's definitely probably making a majority of his money from the course, but... my course doesn't really make me too much. I've maybe made like $2,000 this month. It's not really anything special. Alright, boys, I'm probably about to go hop off, go get some breakfast, just go chill. RCap, enjoy your diss track, bro. I'm excited to hear it. I'll definitely be spamming it, reposting it, putting it everywhere, so I'm excited. Alright, I'll see you boys at class today. Deuces stream.